My beautiful queens, gone are the days that you cannot tie a beautiful gele design without having 3 to 4 layer aso-oke. With this 1 layer aso-oke, you can achieve this beautiful style. Just fold that 1 layer like this to some like 40, 60, and then once you roll that 40 side, you're going to be using the remaining 60 division to roll your perimeter of your head. But we're going to be using the folded part that we hold with our hair tie or rubber band. We're going to place it in front of our head like this, and all I'm doing is roll the leftover fabric, which is like the 60 division, around the perimeter of my head from front to back. Bring it forward, cover up that hair tie in front. If you have a matching hair tie, that is an added advantage for you, but mine doesn't match exactly, but we're going to make it work. And I'm just going to be tucking in the excess fabric, guys, tucking in the excess fabric at the back. So with this tie, it is a very simple style that you can even tie when you are in the car ready to go to the party. And that front part, I'm just opening up the fan, and here you have a very nice and beautiful Headwrap style, guys, in 1 minute. This is super simple and beautiful. So let's achieve our style number 2. Just take one of the fan side, pin it down to form like a big petal rose, and you have just make yourself another beautiful Headwrap style that you can rock to your next Owambe party. Guys, isn't this beautiful? This is super simple and beautiful. Arrange it to frame your face the way you want it, and voila, you are good to go. For more elegancy, we are going to attach a brooch in the middle and see how it adds some sparkling, some touch of elegancy to that Headwrap style, guys. Let me know in the comment section, will you be giving this a try? This is a very simple style. If you don't know how to tie any Headwrap style, learn how to tie this. And I just should remove the hair tie from my wig and just let down that braid to flow at the back. And if you so like, you can still put your braid in the ponytail. Yes, you can still put your hair style in a ponytail. You can wear it your own way, because this is an open back Headwrap style with this beautiful fan rose design in front. Whichever style you choose, it is your own way. And that's it. See, after putting in a ponytail, this is what we got. Don't forget to share this video.